Welcome everyone, this is AppTech Pro. Today we're going to be repairing an iPhone XS Max with a cracked screen, and as well putting the water seal on there, a new one. So as always, I'm going to go ahead and start the timer, speed up the video, and show you the final result. Hope you enjoy. And we are done. So 14 minutes and 3 seconds, and we have a brand new iPhone XS Max, and everything looks great. So if you need an iPhone repair, battery replacement, screen replacement, carry-on lock, anything to do with iPhones, we can definitely help you. Make sure you check us out on our website, as well Instagram, Facebook, and I'll leave all the links in the description below. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out and we'll be happy to help. And thank you for watching the video. And until next time, I'll see you soon. Thanks again.